Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Update iOS and connect to Wi-Fi so iCloud can sync reliably. Once done, plug in power to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID and password. If you don't have one, create it here. This is essential because iCloud ties services to your Apple ID. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security because iCloud requires it for key sync features. Once signed in, tap your name at the top of Settings and select iCloud so you can control what syncs. You'll toggle Photos, Contacts, Calendars, Messages, and iCloud Drive. Turn on what you need to keep in sync across devices. Make sure iCloud Backup is enabled in iCloud settings to save device backups automatically. This prevents data loss. If you run out of space, upgrade storage or optimize backups by excluding large app data because syncing depends on available iCloud storage. To finish, verify syncing by opening Photos and Contacts to see recent items. If things don't appear, sign out of iCloud in Settings, wait a minute, then sign back in. This often resolves stuck syncs. Make sure background app refresh and correct date and time are set so iCloud can update automatically. If problems persist, check your iCloud storage and free space or restart the device. These steps fix most issues quickly and restore normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.